Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to manage Bitcoin within your PayPal account. First, open your PayPal app or visit the website. You'll then navigate to the crypto section. If it's your first time, you'll need to complete a quick identity verification process. This step ensures your account is secure and compliant with regulations, allowing you to access all cryptocurrency features seamlessly. Once verified, you can proceed to buy Bitcoin. From the crypto section, select Bitcoin. You'll then have options to buy a specific dollar amount, like $25, or enter a custom amount. Before finalizing, carefully review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Confirm your purchase, and the Bitcoin will be added to your PayPal balance. After purchasing, your Bitcoin balance will appear in your PayPal crypto section. It's important to understand that PayPal holds the cryptocurrency on your behalf. You don't receive a traditional wallet with private keys. This means you can buy, sell, and hold Bitcoin within PayPal, but you cannot transfer it to an external wallet or another platform. Your holdings are managed entirely within the PayPal ecosystem. Before engaging further, consider a few key points. PayPal charges fees for buying and selling cryptocurrency, so always check these before confirming a transaction. It's also crucial to review PayPal's comprehensive terms and conditions for their crypto services to fully understand the limitations and features. Finally, remember that cryptocurrency transactions may have tax implications, so consult a tax professional if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.